What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I got this 4x4 closure on from Beauty Forever Hair, and I'm feeling myself because, baby, I put the wig on in less than 15 minutes. It was nothing to it. I didn't even have to style it. If you guys missed me styling this hair, go check out my last video. I styled it in a separate video so you guys could see the in-depth on how to do that with the closure. But in this video, we're just installing it. And it turned out gorgeous, pretty, flawless, beautiful, immaculate, spectacular, as it should. It's so cute, and I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all get into the video. Don't forget to join the Pretty Gang, hit the subscribe button, notification bell to be a part of the Pretty Gang and have special privileges, but you don't know nothing about that until you subscribe. But without further ado, get into this video, get into this hair, keep watching, stay tuned, and comment down below your opinion on the hair. Alright, so I'm going to start off by showing you what I do instead of a ball cap when I do closures. So I don't do any type of ball cap. I just apply my foundation like you see me doing here. And then we're going to spray down this cap with got-to-be spray like regular. But we're not going to cut anything off. Just spray it down so it's secure under the wig. And then blow dry that like you would normally. So yeah, after that's done, now we can move on to putting on the wig. So here's the wig. It looks really pretty. I put it on. My part is crooked as hell. Not even close to being correct. Like, I don't know what I was looking at when I made this, but I have to fix it. So we're just going to go in and part it correctly, the right way. And I just changed it to a middle part. So before I took the hot comb to it, I decided to let it heat up, and while I did that, I just sprayed the closure down with got-to-be spray and blow dried it. And then I'm just cutting the extra lace off. Okay, so look right here. Y'all can see that the lace is clearly too dark for me, but we're gonna fix that later. And I hate that I even had to fix it, but you know, every lace isn't gonna match. So then I'm just spraying down the edges to make it smooth and lay flat. And I'm using my comb to push that in. I'm sorry if I sound tired, y'all. It's like 2:30 in the morning, but I wanted to get this done for you. So yeah, once everything is applied correctly, now I'm taking the hot comb. It's heated up all the way. And we're just hot combing down the part so it could be even and in the correct spot, because I apparently don't know how to part a wig. But here's how it's looking up close. The only problem is our lace, so we're going to fix that. I took my MAC powder foundation in my skin tone, and I just applied it to the edges. So right away, it's not looking any better. It looks the same, if not worse, because now it looks too light. But to fix all of this, to get rid of makeup on the hairline, you want to take your wax stick, rub it on your finger, and then rub that on the hair. That gets the makeup off of the hair. And then to fix the hairline from looking too dark, you take the got-to-be spray, spray it on your finger, and then pat along your hairline. And here's the before and after. I hope that made sense, but keep rewatching that and you'll understand what I'm saying. So yeah, now that that's done, we're just hot combing everything into place, just doing the finishing touches. I already had styled this wig in my last video, so y'all can watch that if you want to know how to style it. So I didn't have to do too much. After I hot comb it, that's all. There's nothing else to it. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so this took me like all of 15 minutes to get on my head and blend it out and all of that good stuff. As you guys saw, I just used a powder to fix it because it was darker than my skin color. If they have a transparent option, I recommend that, because when they ask if you want like medium brown or whatever, it's too dark if you're my skin color. I recommend anybody get transparent because your foundation is gonna match you better than any lace they could throw at you. Like, so yeah, I've never had to install this fast. You know, I barely had to do anything at all. It was super easy, and I'm really proud of how I plucked this lace. I like how it looks a lot. So real quick, pros and cons, y'all know how we do. So my first pro would be how flat the hair gets from hot combing. This is like my scalp right here. It's really flat on top of my braids, and I could feel my part through it because it's just that flat. So I really do like that. I like that it's able to get flat because a lot of companies have the problem where they put too much hair on the closure and it just looks bulky and wiggy, and that's not cute at all. My next pro will have to be the curl pattern, because all I did was put Afro G on this. It's defined and they're like waves, but they give you so much hair that it's like big waves. and I love that. My third and final pro would have to be how easy it was to pluck. Part of that had to do with how I bleached it, and I actually left the bleach on too long, so they was just falling out. But the hairline was super thick when I got it. Y'all saw that. I'm gonna put a picture in. The hairline was stupid thick, so thick, the thickest hairline I've ever seen. Wiggy as hell, so you definitely can't pop this on out the box. I don't know if that's a con for y'all, but the hairs came out easily, so I was able to get this look. Okay, now on to cons. Back to the hairline part. That wasn't a con for me, like I said, but maybe that'd be a con for some people, so I just want to throw that out there. Another con is gonna have to be the lace color, because they sent me a really dark lace. I don't know if you can pick your color, so if you can't, that is a no-no for me. I hate when they send you them dark laces and you can't pick your color, because everybody's not dark like that. And I was able to conceal it, but it's only so much you could do with powder foundation, because this is going to wear off and I'm going to have to keep reapplying powder foundation, so I don't like that. Yeah, that's pretty much the only thing I think they could have did better with. I love the sizing and I love how the wig fits on my head. I didn't even have to glue this down, to be real with y'all, because it's just like fitting perfectly on my head. But that's it for the pros and cons. Overall, I really like this hair. It's so easy to just throw on, especially since I didn't do baby hairs. I just wanted to make it quick and easy as possible. I'm gonna show y'all the packaging and then I'm gonna let y'all go. As you guys heard me say multiple times, and it's in the title, this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their packaging. I'm not a fan of Beauty Forever packaging. It's weird, confusing, and it's frankly, it be falling apart. It falls apart. It's just weird. Like, it's like this, right? So when you see this, you're thinking, oh, you could pull it out, because it looks like it pulls out, right? I don't think y'all can see it, but it looks like it's supposed to pull out right here, but it's really just the side of the box. And then that's how you break the box. Like, it's just confusing and weird. But aside from that, you open it this way and they send you some stuff in here. It's the bag for the hair and a wig cap, and that's all. And I'm glad they sent the wig cap, because you can never have too many of these, especially if you're going to be doing wigs. So yeah, I like that. But overall, it's nothing in here too special. Yeah, so that's it for the packaging. I do love Beauty Forever Hair. I've worked with them before and I really love how their hair always lays flat. Like, this is not the first wig I've had. Check out my last review. That one was so pretty. Like, I did the baby hairs and everything. It was so pretty. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Y'all already know how I feel about closures, so if you like this, definitely go copy one. They're so affordable and just like easy to install, so you cannot mess this up. Literally, it looks like a frontal. They're the same thing. Trust me, especially when it comes to curly hair, closures are so much easier to maintain and they last longer. If y'all didn't see already, I styled this in my last video, so go check that one out. Join the pretty gang, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And don't forget to comment down below any video suggestions y'all have, what y'all want to see. Y'all have been giving me so many lately, so I'm getting to all of them. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.